Hello there. So you want to know how you can contact DoorDash support whether you're having any kinds of problem? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your DoorDash application, and once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the me icon. Once you've already logged in into your account, simply tap on these settings right here and tap on get help. Now this is exactly where it's going to say which order do you need help with. You can also go to check FAQ right here, and it's going to take you to help.doordash.com, and this is exactly where you can simply go ahead all the way down, and then you can select whatever problem you want. So even if you're not a DoorDash customer, you can get a problem or solved right here, or you could also go ahead and tap on have an emergency, and this is where you can directly contact with them as quick as you can. So when you click on I am a customer, and this is exactly where you can go ahead and have whatever help you want with. So if it is manage your account, you can click on that, and if you want to simply go ahead and customer support, tap on that, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you